Okay, it says, which model does not represent 6 times 6 equals 36 on number 1? Okay, guys, so when you count it on A, there is 6 groups and there is 6 in each one, so that is true. For B, there is 2 groups and 6 in each group, so that would be 2 times 6. Okay, so that one is not true. Let's look what the other one has. Okay, for C, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in each group. So that is 6 times 6, and there's 36 dots, so that's true. And then D, let's see if I can get this to work. D, it's not, so you can see down here. D, there is 6 groups, and there's 6 in each group. And so D is true. It is 6 times 6 equals 36. So D is true. So the correct answer is B. B is not true. It does not represent 6 times 6 equals 36. Okay, let's go to the next one. All right, let's erase all that. Okay, it says 3 sisters noted the number of text messages they sent to their family and friends last month. Maria has 199 text messages. Patricia sent 73 text messages. And Rosa sent 84 text messages. What is the total number of text messages the 3 sisters sent? Okay, so it wants to do all 3. So you would have to do 199 plus 73. So I'm going to write over here. You're going to have to do 199 plus 73, because we only add 2 numbers at a time. And see that 9 plus 3 is 12. Carry your 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. Plus 7 is 17. Carry your 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. So now you got to add in Rosa because it wanted all 3 sisters. So we're going to add Rosa's number to Maria and Patricia's number. 1's place is 4 plus 2 is 6. 7 plus 8 is 15. Carry your 1. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So your final answer would be 356. And I bet you got that one right. As long as you knew to add all 3 sisters. Okay, so next. Okay, for number 3, it says Mr. Engel is covering a rectangular floor with square tiles. Each square is 1 foot long. How he will place the square tiles on the floor until it's covered. What is the area? Okay, that's a big deal, guys, to know that that says area. Area means to multiply, multiply, multiply. Area means to multiply rows times squares in each row. So if we count, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. There can be 7 rows. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 in each row. So we would do 7 times 14. So there was 7 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 14 little squares that can go in each row. So that is a 2-digit times 1-digit problem. We have to come over here and you have to do 14 times 7. 7 times 4 is 28. Carry your 2, make it a plus 2. Then 7 times 1 is 7, plus 2 more is 8, 9. Final answer is 98 square feet is the area. Okay, then number 4 is asking you which list puts these cities in order from least to greatest. So the L to the G, right there. Okay, so if we look, the first number in the 10,000s place is an 8. That doesn't help us any. But then the next number in the thousands place is a 4, a 2, a 2, and a 3. Okay, well, that 4 tells us that that is the greatest number. So he's going to be in 4th place. Okay, so the 4 is the greatest number, so that makes that number the greatest number. So we don't have to look at him anymore. He's going to be in last place. This 3 makes the city mission, the second greatest. So he's going to be in third place. So these 2s right here, they don't tell us a whole lot, except for they're both the smallest number. So we have to go to the hundreds place on Longview and Bryan. The hundreds place has a 2 and a 1. Those help us out a lot. 1 tells us that Bryan is the smallest, so he's in first place, and Longview is the second smallest. And so if you'll look, you know that your answer has to start with Bryan. And so B starts with Bryan and D starts with Bryan. You can eliminate A and you can eliminate. Okay, so when you're looking for your answer, it has to start with Bryan. And so B and D both start with Bryan, and D is your answer. It won't let me click on it. D is your final answer for this problem. Okay. Whoop. See, it's going crazy. All right, let's go to the next one, the last one. Oh, let's see if it'll load. Okay, the last one says a baker made 4 batches of muffins. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 batches, and there was 16 in each batch. Okay, so we automatically know that is a multiplication problem to figure out how many muffins that baker made. And then he split those muffins equally among 8 boxes. Okay, so he figured out how many this was, and he split it between 8 boxes. So we know that the first step was multiply, and the second step was divide. H is your equation that matches this problem. Good job, guys.